Hello. Today we have this. It's the phone of my daughter. So I don't know if it is possible to notice this, but the back is bulged. There is a big bulge here. It's so big that also the screen is a little bit compressed, and the reason for this is the battery. So the battery is completely exhausted, and then we have to replace it. So here I have it. So we have a new battery, a set of screwdrivers, some tape, and that's the battery. So it's a Doogee S60 phone. It's a very robust phone with a very big battery, and when the battery is old and completely exhausted, it inflates like this, and then it compresses the back and the screen, which is bad. So here we have it. Okay. So let's try to open this. Okay. You have to remove all the screws. Okay. So if you wonder what is this, so these are two magnets which I added because I found very convenient to have magnets on the back of this phone, so you can stick it to a piece of metal like a cupboard and such kind of things. Sometimes it's useful. Okay. And then I also added this thing like a latch, so you can hold it like a video camera and it will not fall down. Okay, let's see how we can do this. Okay, I'm removing this. Okay, so we put this away. Then now, from this perspective, you see that the back is bulged, so it's very bent. You see the sensor, how tilted it is. Okay. The fact is that now I don't remember exactly how to open it, but in a way or in another one we have to remove the screws. So let's do this. Okay, we remove this and this. Okay. Okay, another screw. And now also from this side. So we are here. Another screw. Another screw. This one doesn't come out. Okay, let's use this. Okay, and also this one. Okay, and here we are. So now, okay, we remove this part like this, then the button like here, this like this, we put it apart, and now we do the same on this side. We remove this and the buttons, and we put this here like this. Okay, so till now we removed these metallic parts.